Model, 2010 Volkswagen Caddy Maxi 1.9 TDI factory crew cab MOTED ready-to-work bargain. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 22000. MOT, the 13th of March 2025. Engine, 1896 cc. Transmission, 5-speed manual. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. No warning lights on the dash, starts and drives fantastically. Nice maxi long wheelbase, factory crew cab. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is indecent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, wind-up windows, factory crew cab. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for